glad you can't stop me.
It's so hard to fight him when he's invisible. He get paper catchball to find the void catchball air.
You may have stopped my invisible stunt, but can you stop me from flying away?
Well, looks like you have no jetpack or invisible belt. Now we want answers. We both know you couldn't have escaped here in Heights by yourself. Somebody bailed you out. Tell me, who were you losing arm?
Hey, okay, it was the Shadowkin that bailed me out and provided me this jetpack and invisible belt. They send a new operative to retrieve the Raven Bazaar. That's all I know.
Who is it?
That's all I know. Oh, okay.
I think we're done here. Hey, wait, who are you in New Canary? Canary, no, I tried that name and it didn't fit with me, but I found a much better name, and that's Black Star, and I like you to want to protect the city, so see you around.